Roblox, the classic event. Now, a ton of people have mixed reactions about this. Some really hate it, some really like it. I'm personally in the middle. I really liked it. However, there were some games in there that just felt like simulators, repetitive, and overall just boring. Just for you to like play their game for a long period of time. And some of them didn't even look like classic Roblox at all. So I'm going to be ranking them all. Keep in mind these are all my personal opinions. So if I put some game that you really liked in like F tier or so, please mind that it's my opinions. You can like it however you want. It's just my opinion. Anyways, please subscribe because these videos take hours and hours to edit and even record. So yeah, I'll see you there. Okay guys, here we are on the tier list. As you can see here, we have all of our games. And be mindful that there is ads, so I'm going to go ahead and close these out. So please just stick with me here. It's a website, a free website. They need to make money somehow. As you can see, they have every single classic game on here. Starting off with Dress to Impress. This obviously would go in an alright tier. It wasn't bad. I just don't know why they put that game into the classic, because I'll show some footage above. I'll do that with every game. But like, this was like the most unclassic Roblox game on the platform. I like the way they implemented it though, like that classic Roblox R6 obby style. It was alright. It was easy to get the ticks. It was easy to get the R tokens. Then we have Clip It or Wreck It. One of those. It was Clip It. This goes in a alright tier as well because, like I said, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't good. I mean, I like the idea of finding like characters. That's something new instead of just looking for R tokens. I liked it a lot, but like, it just wasn't the most creative. The Roblox, Outstanding Road Trip, Classic Road Trip. I forgot the long drive. I don't remember. Okay, outstanding. A Dusty Road Trip. There we go. A Dusty Road Trip was by far the best classic game. The best game out of the whole event. Like, if it was just that, I would have been happy. It was just perfect. Everything was perfect about it. I don't even have to say it. Tower Defense Simulator. It goes in good tier. I liked it. I really liked it a lot. It's just this simple ticks mechanic. You find ticks around the map, and then I really liked the little storyline they had there for the R tokens. I think that was a little funny. I didn't get to complete though because like mission 3 was like the hardest one out of all of them, so I just gave up. So yeah, I think it deserves a good tier. Liftopia. This goes in tedious. Now, why I'm saying this because overall it doesn't seem bad. However, it's so repetitive. It seems like a simulator. It has nothing to do with classic Roblox at all. In fact, it should be lucky it's not in Doggy Poggy. Restaurant Tycoon 2. This goes in a bad tier, okay? Because I liked it. I really did. I really liked it, but 150 customers for 5 tokens, which usually takes like 3 hours, by the way. I'm so happy I got that one done. But oh my gosh. Next we have Gunfire Arena. Gunfire Arena goes in good because it wasn't perfect. It was kind of just the same thing over and over. You get kills, you get weapons. Get weapon, you get kills. It was alright. I mean, it wasn't as bad as Liftopia or Restaurant Tycoon 2, but it was pretty nice. I liked it because there's this rocket glitch where you just shoot below you and you spam F, and then that would easily just harvest kills for you. Blade Ball immediately goes into doggy. No, it goes in tedious because it was pretty boring. Especially the fact that like the boss fight, it wasn't too bad. The boss fight itself was actually pretty fun, but the fact that you have to beat that like 5 times or so, I don't remember because I didn't do the quest. I mean, I played all of these, but some of them I didn't complete. It's just that Bed Wars, it was so like repetitive. I didn't like it. Driving Empire was alright because I heard that you had to spend hours doing the taxis. I personally didn't do the taxi thing because I already had every item before that. So yeah, it goes in a solid alright tier because I like looking for the ticks. It was fun. But and oh my gosh, I heard that it was kind of like pay to win or like pay to progress. Because like a 2 times progression, which I think is really dumb because the whole point of the event is to get free stuff. Now I get it, you want to make your money. Everybody wants to make their money, but you can't be selling that stuff. That just proves that it's hard to get, you know? Bed Wars. Because I'm feeling nice, Bed Wars deserves a tedious. I would put it in Doggy Poggy, but I think Bed Wars is just too good. Well, it's not good. It was bad. Okay, so let me explain. So in Bed Wars, there was already this existing mode that came out a long time ago. I think like 2017. I don't know. I haven't played Bed Wars in a while, but it came out and it's basically just the penguin survival, which is already hard enough. So it's penguin survival, but with classic blocks. That is very lazy, okay? Like, that is the laziest thing you can do. Like, they didn't even take the time to create a new game mode. They just rushed out a new game mode by re-adding the penguins back. They were always back, but they weren't really in the lobby. I just think it's so dumb, okay? Like, it deserves tedious. Adopt Me. This is hard. Adopt Me wasn't that bad, but it really wasn't good. It'll go in bad because just like Restaurant Tycoon 2, it was fun, but it was just so annoying waiting like 5 to like 10 minutes for your pet to say, I'm hungry, I want to go take a shower, I want to go camping. You know? Arsenal goes in immediate good tier. The reason why it's not outstanding is because, actually no, it goes in outstanding. It's perfect. I just don't like how it's a little bit hard and how the boss at the end was really lame. I get it for humor purposes, but yeah. Bee Swarm Simulator. Now this one was actually pretty fun as well. It wasn't that bad. It was actually pretty fun. I enjoyed it myself. It goes in a solid good tier. Dragon Adventures. Automatic, tedious. Because really, it was fun. I'll tell you that. Actually, it goes in bad tier because it was fun finding everything, but like when you progress through like the tundra, the forest, and all that, it gets boring. And the fact that in order to like get all the ticks, you have to go all the way back to your base over and over to go cook some eggs. I just think it's not good. And Toilet Tower Defense. Well, yeah, that's it. Please do subscribe though, because I like spent the whole day making this video, which I really didn't have to. I could have just been, eating Cheerios at night and in the afternoon and in breakfast time. Please subscribe. Please, for my sanity.